Welcome to the channel. This is Trent from TP Surveillance. In the last video, we discussed things to do before you go out and purchase a home security camera system or business. And we based that video off the most popular trend, wireless security cameras. And that's your battery powered, your floodlight, pretty much anything that doesn't have a cable that is ran from the camera to a NVR, a network video recorder, which is in your house, which is what we call local, because it doesn't go to the cloud. And it doesn't need a SD card, which you can put one in there, but it doesn't need it. And so in that video, we talked about the number one reason why your wireless cameras fail was because your internet was not strong enough. And that's pretty much always going to be the issue when it comes to those. But in today's video, we'll be discussing wired security cameras and why I think they're the number one choice. And the reason why I say that is it just works. As soon as it is installed, which like I said, you have to run cables. So if you want 7 wired security cameras, that's 7 cables that have to be ran from each camera to the NVR. That's where the price is higher than just buying a wireless camera, cause you can get a wired security camera system. Let's just say you want 4 wired security camera systems. Depending on what brand you get, you can get that cheaper than buying 4 battery powered cameras. Now we talking about decent cameras. We ain't talking about these cameras that cost $20 and $15. You just wasting your money because they don't work that good, especially at night. And so that's what you're looking at. And so the price comes in when I have to come or electrician or whoever doing it when we have to run the cable. And so that's what shoots the price up. But what are you getting more with that than you are getting with anything else? You're getting 24/7 recording. You're getting longer storage capacity. You get it, and what I mean by that is you can go 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, 2 months, 3 months, just depending on how big your hard drive is in the unit, which we just gonna be discussing the NVR network video recorder. That's IP cameras. That is pretty much the top of the top thing now. And so all that in one purchase. Because once you purchase it, you get it installed, you don't pay nothing else. The mobile, you can have a mobile app, you can have it on your laptop, you can have it on your desktop, your tablet. You can put it on anything that you want, and it's free monthly. You can stream all day if you want to. And so that is the biggest benefit of it. It's a one-time purchase. And so and another good thing about it is, let's just say you can't afford 4 cameras right now. You can get 1, you can get 2. You can just add on as you get some money until eventually where you want to be at. And you still saving money because those 2 that you got gonna work. They're gonna give you everything you need: person, vehicle, pet, package detection, depending on, like I said, depending on what system you have. And we'll be talking about the system that I use a little bit later in some videos. But like I said, it has everything that you need. If you want to just be notified for a person, but you still want all the recordings for vehicles passing by, you can do that. You can set that up. But like I said, the number one thing is the 24/7 recording. Because, listen to me clearly, anything that is set for motion can still miss something. Any camera system that doesn't have 24/7 and it just has just regular person, human, vehicle put, it can miss something. If it's not 24/7, it is missing something every day. So let's just say, for instance, your camera only detects 30 feet away and something happened 10 more feet away. It would not have footage of that. So if it was an accident on the corner, on the street, if your camera is not able to detect from that distance, if you have police or a neighbor or something come up and be like, do you have cameras, or that you have cameras, can you check your camera and see what happened, who hit who? You're not gonna have it because your cameras are not 24/7. They are basically motion based. And so that's why wired is so important. So in my point of view, wired is the number one thing. If you can't do wired, then you do wireless. But if you can, start off with one camera and build until you get enough cameras that you need. Because it's just better. Ask anybody that has a wired security camera system that actually knows how to work it. That is the key, people. That's what we're going to be learning in these videos coming up. How to use your camera system. And knowing that if you buy this camera, if you buy a 4-camera system and it costs you $200, that's not a camera system. So you get what you pay for. Just like buying a vehicle, buying clothes, anything that you buy, you get what you pay for. And so I have tested a lot of camera systems, some high, some mid-budget, and I also installed some that was $199. And people ask me, hey, it don't have audio. And then I can do about it. You purchase it. I tried to tell you that it didn't work, but you purchased it. And so that's what I'm telling you. I'm trying to help people out. And so, like in the next video, we'll be discussing things that I like, different camera systems. So it'll be a video for everybody. The people that have battery powered, people that like floodlights, wired camera systems. In the next video, we'll be discussing those, and I'll be giving you my opinion on them. And if I haven't used it, I will not be talking about it. So everything that I'll be talking about, I have used, and I got some experience in them. And so after that video, we're going to go straight into learning what your security camera can do, what your security camera can't do, how to get the best out your security camera system, and settings should you be more focused on. So those will be in later videos. So thank you for watching. See you next week. Have a good day.